Oh yes. Oh, look at that. Firecracker chicken. Hello, welcome back once again to Rob's Homemade, and guess what? We are doing a recipe video I know for a fact that a lot of people want me to see me do recipe videos. Two people in particular. One person I got into a bit of a conversation with the other day saying I'm ripping off my subscribers because I'm not doing homemade stuff, just reviews and stuff like that. But I have said time restraints do stop me doing a lot of homemade stuff because I have to work 5-6 days a week and I can't get them done. I wish I could, but now I've got a bit of time off work coming into December, so I'm going to try and appease a lot of people and do some homemade. So today we are doing a selection of ingredients to make firecracker chicken, but I'm going to be using an air fryer. My missus wanted an air fryer for a bit. Craig Banks has been doing my editing for the last 12 months about air fryers. No, he hasn't been doing my editing, I'm only joking. So my missus went and bought one. So I'm probably going to be using it a lot more than the oven. I'm still working on how to use it, so please bear with me. I'm hoping this recipe works. So yes, firecracker chicken with tomato, coriander, salsa and fried rice. Let's get this on. Let's go marinate these chicken thighs and then we'll go from there. So I'll see you back at the worktop in a sec, guys. Right guys, here we are at the worktop for our first video recipe in a long while. We have 3 chicken thighs, 1 for the missus, 2 for me, washed, cleaned, sorted. So we're gonna make the firecracker marinade. So we're gonna start with a good spray of spray light, just to give it a bit of a coating. Then we've got black pepper, real good grind of black pepper, as much as you like or as little as you like, it's entirely up to you. So then we have garlic, another good grind of garlic. I've forgotten an ingredient which I will go and fetch in a second. So then we have, don't need that, that's garlic as well. So we've got chili flakes, as little or as much. I'm going to put not a lot on because my missus is not the fieriest. Well, she can be, but not in the hot spicy way. So we've got chili flakes, trying to get them away. We have smoked paprika, or if you haven't got smoked paprika, normal paprika will suffice. I do like the smoked, it gives it a nice flavour. So a couple of shakes of that. Some white wine vinegar, probably a couple of tablespoons. Firecracker chicken doesn't normally have sweet chilli sauce in, but I like it. So we're going to have a good glug of that. Got one more ingredient, guys, which I've left in the cupboard. So I'm going to grab it now because I've just bought it and I can't find it. Oh dear, here it is. We have if I can get it open. Amateur hour here at Rob's Homemade. Look, I'm struggling. There we go. We always get there in the end here. Sometimes it takes us a lot longer than it should do. But hey ho, so dark soy sauce is the best. Gives it that gnarly colour when it's marinating. So what I'm going to do now So I'm going to get my hands dirty. Nice clean hands, but we're just going to get this marinade, massage it all in. It smells absolutely amazing. So this, perfect, in a perfect world, will go overnight. Couple of hours should do it, definitely, but overnight is always better because it just gives the time for the marinade to soak all the way through the chicken. Oh, it smells a bit spicy, but that's what we like here, Rob's on me. So I'm going to quickly wash my hands, as always, keeping clean. So there we are. Our bang bang chicken is marinated. In fact, I'll give you a better look this way. There you go. Marinating in that lovely sauce. So we're going to cling film that, stick it in the fridge. Like I said, overnight is good, but a couple of hours and we'll be all good. So I'll see you very, very soon. Right, our firecracker chicken has had 3 hours. We're going to set this for 20 minutes at, not 20 minutes, at 190 degrees. So, tray with a bit of grease proof in the bottom. Chicken thigh in. Hoping I can get all three in here. 2, 3. There we go, guys. We are in. You can already see that. So look, get you up. There we go. Firecracker chicken in the air fryer tray. In we go. 20 minutes. So I'll see you guys in about 20 minutes for the turn. Right guys, our chicken has had 20 minutes. It's looking absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to flip it over, put it back in for another 10, and then we're going to look at doing the stir-fried rice as well. So see you in 10 minutes. Right guys, while our chicken is having its last 10 minutes, we are going to start on the fried rice. We have peas and onions frying away in the pan, which we will add our pre-boiled rice. I boiled it earlier. You don't need to see that because it's quite boring. So here we go. We're going to add the rice. Probably too much rice here. There's just 2 of us, so I have got work tomorrow, so that will come in handy. Always make too much rice, but then we're just going to warm this through. Get it warm. You can add anything to this rice. You can add peppers, bacon, eggs, but for tonight we're just going to keep it plain simple, onion, peas. We am going to season with some salt and a good grind of black pepper. A very good grind of black pepper, in fact, gives it a nice flavour. So that's the fried rice, just sitting in the pan, getting warm, while the chicken's finishing off nicely in the air fryer. And we're beeping away, so it needs a good shake. There we go, last 4 minutes guys, and then we shall plate up our firecracker chicken, fried rice, and I've also made a tomato, onion and coriander salsa, which you will see very, very soon. Right guys, our air fryer is beeping away, so let's get these bad boys out. Oh my god. Oh yes. Oh, look at that. Firecracker chicken on the plate. This is going to be absolutely fantastic. Smells amazing. So we've got firecracker chicken. I'm going to put this back in here for a moment. We have our fried rice, portion for the missus. Portion for me. Plating up time, guys. This is the best part. And I really like, my missus likes her rice, so I'm going to give her a bit extra. That on there. Then last but by no means least, we have tomato, red onion and coriander salsa. So that's basically what it is. Tomatoes and red onion, coriander, mixed together, a bit of lemon juice, salt and pepper. Job's a good one. Everyone's a winner. So here we go. I'm just gonna literally have whatever's left. Don't waste things here, Rob's Homemade. All done. Bit of extra, just coriander for garnish. Make it look a bit pretty. And there we have the finished product. Firecracker chicken, fried rice, and tomato, red onion and coriander salsa. I'm going to show you a better picture now. 2 chicken thighs for me, rice, salsa, and the same for the missus, but only one because she's not a big eater. So there you go. That was my recipe and video for firecracker chicken. Hope you enjoyed this video and hope you give it a try. If you ever do give it a try, leave a comment below and let me know. So I'm going to go now, sit down and enjoy my tea. See you soon, guys. Peace.